In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to your email content using HubSpot. This process might seem a little daunting at first, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make it as easy as possible. By the end, you'll have the skills to enhance your emails with HTML code, giving you the freedom to customize your email marketing campaigns. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, go to the user guide. This is your hub for all things HubSpot and the best place to access all the tools you'll need for this task. Next, take a look at the top navigation bar and click on the Marketing tab. This section contains all your marketing tools and resources, which includes the email editor we're going to use. After selecting Marketing, you'll see an option that says Email. Click on this to move to the next step. This is your gateway to creating and managing all of your email content in HubSpot. With the email options displayed, look for a button that says New Email and give it a click. This initiates the creation of a fresh email where you can input and tweak your content as needed. Now, focus on the email editor page. You will find an option labeled HTML. Click on this. It opens the editor where you can directly input your HTML code. Keep in mind that HTML allows for rich customization, making your email more interactive and visually appealing. You can add elements like tables, custom fonts, and styles directly through the HTML editor. After you have accessed the HTML area, direct your attention to the Content button. Clicking Content takes you to the section where you can manage and structure the bulk of your email's text and images. Once you're in Content, revisiting the HTML option might be useful for making more code adjustments. Having HTML at your disposal in this area ensures that the styling and functionality of your email are precisely the way you envision. Finally, we have Styles. Engage with the Styles button to open an area where you can adjust the overall stylistic elements of your email without diving deep into HTML coding. Here, you can make quick updates to things like font sizes, colors, and spacing to ensure everything looks cohesive. And there you have it. A complete guide to adding HTML to your email in HubSpot. Following these steps allows you to enhance your emails with sophisticated design and functionality, making your communications stand out. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of HubSpot. Happy emailing!